Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we will discuss about command line utility provided by Snowflake. We call it Snowsql. Okay. So to download that utility, what you are supposed to do, first of all, you have to go to Snowflake website. From there, you can download this Snowsql. Once you have downloaded and installed, then what you are supposed to do, you have to go to this. Let me first close this one and try to re-log in. Okay, then you have to go to your command prompt. Okay, if you are in Windows, and you have to just type sudo sql. Okay, then you have to provide your account name would be like you can go to your link from where you are logging into Snowflake. Okay, from that link what you can do, you have to just copy this part. Okay, and just put your this account name. Then you have to provide your username is the username from which you are logging into your Snowflake account. Once we are done this part, it will ask for password to us. Okay, then you have to provide your password. Once we are done with this thing, so you will see like I have been logged into my Snowflake account, but right now by default one of the warehouse like compute underscore wh has been assigned to me. Okay, now so you can connect to any database which you are having access. Database first db. Okay, by default it has been connected to my public schema. Now as you see, we have been connected into my Snowflake account via. So to now what we will do, we will try to load the data from my local system to my Snowflake account by using put. So what you have to just provide put, and after that you have to provide your file name. Okay, and I have this file which is present in my D drive right now. Okay, so from here I have to provide this part thing. Then we have to provide my staging area. Now one important thing. So Snowflake provides various type of stages to us. As I already told you, this is my user stage. Okay, so instead of creating separate staging area, each user is already assigned to one user stage. Okay, so you have to just provide at the rate and tilde sign. Okay, so at the rate and this tilde sign I have provided. So what it will do, it will just like pick my file from my local system and just load into my user staging area. One more thing, so this put command can be run through your command line only. It means you cannot run this put command via Snow site or your user interface. Now once you are done with this part, now if you want to see the file, you will see we are having this file has been loaded into right now. Okay, okay, now if you have to see the data present in this file, what we can do, you can just go and run this command. Okay, so you will see this is my metadata file, and after that we are able to see this column names. Okay, after that what we have to do, if you want to load that data into your table, I'm already having one table. So what you can just provide my copy into my table name from my user staging area, and after that you have to provide your file format. This is our file format. Okay, then we have to just run this copy command. You see two rows has been passed. Okay, now if you have to query, let me see from my table name. Okay, if you see two rows has been loaded. Now one more thing, as I already told you, if I'm trying to rerun this command, what will happen, it will not load the same file again. Why? If you see here copy executed with 0 file, because Snowflake internally maintains one metadata. Okay, so what will happen, so that it knows like this file has been already processed. Okay, so if you see no extra rows has been loaded right now. Okay, One more thing, suppose you have to remove the file from your staging area. What you can do? We can just run this remove at the rate tilde dollar. Okay, this file has been removed. Now, one more thing. So here we have discussed about user stage. Okay. Now, whenever you are creating any of your table, so that table is also assigned with one staging area. We call it table stage. You will see list. So to query that table stage, what you have to do, list at the rate, then percentage sign, and then this table name. Okay. So if you have to query, there is no file right now in this table area. Okay. Simply if you want to load, like here if you see right now I have put my file into my user stage. Similarly, if you want to put, you can put your file into your at the rate percentage, and what is my table name, my underscore table, my underscore table. Okay. It means for each table is assigned with a another staging area. We call it table stage. But to query that thing, what we are doing at the rate percentage table. Okay. If you see that file has been loaded into my staging area, nor this time it has been loaded into my table stage area. Okay. Now similarly again, if you have to query, simply what we can do, you can just copy this part. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay. Let me run this thing. If you see, now this two rows has been processed, but this rows has been processed from my table stage. Okay, so now let me try to run this query. This time it should have been loaded with 4 rows. Okay, now if you have to like remove the files from my staging area, we can just run this remove command. Similarly, from my table stage, if you have to remove, like you have to provide this remove command. Okay. Okay, so this file has been removed. One more thing, we have discussed about user stage, we have discussed about table stage. Similarly, you can create your user defined stage. Okay, as in previous videos we have created some staging area, like where we have loaded through S3 bucket all these things. So that are your named staging area. Okay, so that named staging area is basically two types. So one is your user defined stage. Okay, user defined internal stage. Okay, internal stage, and second you are having external stage. Okay, so what you can do, like here you have loaded while using user stage and table stage. Similarly, you can define your named internal stage, also your external stage. But here you have loaded through via command and utility. From here you can do, you can load data into your internal staging area also. Okay, named internal staging area. And whenever you are trying to load the data from your any cloud environment, in that case you have to use your external stage. So I hope that's all from this video. I hope you like this video. In case you need more information, or if you need more inputs from this video, please put anything in my comment section. So that's all from this video. Thank you.